So this is a quick video of how to make a tibial control bladder for the BK prosthesis. The first thing you want to establish is the cut length of the tibia. If the tibia ends right here, that would be the distal end of the tibia. Then you don't want your bladder going any further than that. If the bladder starts to wrap around the edge here, then it'll just wrinkle and probably cause some problems there. This is pretty visible in the casting where you can see that and feel that and mark that. It's a little different when you have a socket and you've got an attachment piece down here and you don't know exactly where the tibia ends. So you want to be cautious and make sure that you don't go past the distal end of the tibia. The proximal end of the tibia, proximal part of the bladder is just below the patella tendon bar. It's really right here with the tibial tubercle. So we want, if there's a patella tendon bar, that's pretty visible, like there is on the cast. on the socket portion here. You don't want to be up into this area. You want to be below that area for the patella, where the bladder starts. So it's important that we understand that the length of the bladder has to go from the tibial tubercle down to the cut end of the tibia, wherever that is. There's also going to be a relief in this area. We want to stabilize the tibia as much as we can. So we want the tibia to fall into this relief here. So we've taken the bladder off and we've trimmed it with a pair of scissors. And now what we need to do is just take some measurements. Again, if you have graph paper, you don't need to do that, but this is also an effective way of doing it. And we just need a length measurement. And this is 6 1/4 inches. And then at the top here, we need a width at the top, the widest part, and we're about 4 1/2. And distally here, we're about 3 1/2. And so with this shape that you've given us and with these dimensions, we'll be able to make a bladder from this template that will fit inside your BK socket and control the tibia, and also act as automatic volume control for the limb as well.